Welcome to Math Model Classroom video. Today, we're going to visit the ICR Math 7 classroom of Kathy Sargent and Rachel Wildhaber at Neuse River Middle School. The goal of this math video is to highlight the look for of using evidence-based instructional and behavior strategies. In this lesson, you're going to see Ms. Sargent use one of the 8 effective mathematical teaching practices of asking purposeful questions. Notice as she guides the students through this assignment, she's asking questions rather than giving directions about how to complete the assignment.
Do it either way, and once you get here, yes. Now, once you get here, is there another common factor other than 1 for 1 and 2, or is 1 it? So that's it. When you say no, that's it, that's how you know you're as simplified as you can go, and that's your answer. And don't forget to label your answers too, so we know how much of what you have so that you're better prepared for your test. Yes. Yes. Trenton, questions?
I'm kind of confused.
For number 1? All right, so it says Sasha can mow 3/8 of an acre of grass in 3/4 of an hour. How many acres of grass does Sasha mow per hour? So we're trying to find what is your unit rate. Are we trying to find out how many acres, like how much time per acre, or how many acres per hour?
How many acres per hour?
Right, per hour means how many hours.
That's not fair.
Right, so where are you going to talk about hours, on the top or on the bottom?
The bottom.
Right, did you do that?
No, because the most of, I can't.
Okay, so first of all, get your labels. I would draw a fraction bar and I would put hour underneath it. Like you could abbreviate it HR. And then what are you talking about on the top? The number of acres. So it says she can mow 3/8 of an acre of grass in 3/4 of an hour. So where would you put the 3/8?
On the first and the left.
3/8. So I would set this up in fraction form. I would put the 3/8 at the top. And then you could just put like an A after it for acres. And then per, you said you're talking about hours at the bottom, and how long? Can I see that? So
That's
this
just for
is,
the part.
right, but get the original one set up, like, just work up here. You said you're comparing acres. How much acres, Trenton?
3.
Look up, 3/8. That should be on top of your fraction bar. Can I see? Let me see. Yes. And then in how much of an hour?
3/4.
Yes.
There's another word that means 1.
Then let me see that. Tran, is this already on your paper?
1 what?
Can I see?
Whole. So if you eat a whole cake, that's a whole, that's 1, right? So that means 1 room.
And so then you're going to put an equal sign, because we don't want to know how many acres in 3/4 of a mile, or 3/4 of an hour. We want to know how many acres per hour. Per hour means per how many hours.
1 hour.
So draw your fraction bar and put a 1 underneath it. Draw another fraction bar and put your 1 underneath it.
Oh, it's right here.
And then to find this number, what does this say? You have it right here. And you kept it, you changed it, you flipped it, yes. And then when you simplified it, you got this. And now just finish that and you'll have it. Yes, so then are you simplified as far as you can get? Or is there another common factor for 2 and 4 other than 1?
2.
Yes, so divide 2 and 4 by 2.
Okay, how do I change this to an improper fraction? I want to do 1.
When teachers utilize these proven strategies, like one of the 8 effective math teaching practices, student outcomes increase in the classroom. Notice that when asking her questions, Ms. Sargent was allowing the students to rely on their own knowledge of content and think critically about the task at hand rather than relying on teacher guidance. This leads to increased success and independence as students solve problems. If you'd like to learn more or see more, please contact the Special Education Services Math Department.